Do you want to know how to get paid to charge your phone? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different free ways to make some extra money, and many viewers have asked me about legit ways to earn by charging your phone. And let me just reveal right away that yes, it is actually possible to earn every time you charge your phone. However, you do need to do it with the right expectations, and in this video I will explain exactly how it works, and I will show you 3 legit apps you can use to earn this way. So before I show you the 3 apps you can use to earn when you charge your phone, let me just explain a little bit about why you can get paid this way, because I know you might be wondering that if this is the first time hearing about this. And the way it works is that there are several apps that will allow you to earn in different ways, and usually the ones I show you, most of them will allow you to earn by doing different micro tasks also. But one option they also have is that when you charge your phone, there will then be a lock screen with ads, and when you have these ads displayed, that means that you will earn, and then you can use those earnings in different ways depending on the app you're using, which we will talk more about when I show you these 3 options. Whether you find it annoying to have those ads when you're charging your phone or not, that's of course not a personal choice, and it's something you can test out. All these options are completely free, so if you just want to test it out, you can do that. If you do not like it, you can just delete them again. One thing you just need to be aware of is that because they are usually taking over your lock screen when you're charging your phone, then you can usually only install one of them. So it's not that you can install all 3 of them at the same time, because that would kind of interfere with each other, so you can't earn 3 times or through all 3 apps when you're charging your phone. That's just one thing to make clear. I'll talk a little bit more about how much you overall can earn from this a little bit later. Let's first go over these 3 options. It's not a prioritized list, because which one is the best really depends on your personal preferences. So let me just show you these 3 options so you can decide for yourself which one, or if you don't want to use any of them, then of course that's also fine. But let's now get to the list. So the first option is Samsung Global Goals, and this is an app by Samsung you can download, and you can see then you will get different updates about different sustainability projects and different sustainable development goals, as you can see. And then you will earn when you have your lock screen on, when you're charging your phone, from the ads that are shown. You just need to be aware that when you earn through the Samsung Global Goals, then what you earn is something you can donate. You can choose the different charities. They have different charities you can choose between. So that's a great option. But this is not if you want to get cash or gift cards out for yourself. But if you think that it's a great project and you want to also donate to these charities, then this can definitely be a great way to do it. And it's owned by Samsung, so you do kind of know that it is a big company behind it, and one way you can actually expect that they will donate these. And also, as you can see, they will actually double your impact. They will also put in the same amount that you are donating, so that's definitely a great way. But if you're more looking for ways to earn yourself, then you should use one of the other options. So let's go over the next one. The next option is called Gift Loop, and this is a get paid to ad where you can earn in different ways, for example by watching videos, playing games, taking surveys, and overall you can earn all these different ways. And one way is also to earn when you're charging your phone. There will be ads on your lock screen. That will definitely not be the highest paying option inside Gift Loop, that is for sure. And overall I would say if you like, for example, playing games, taking surveys, watching videos, there are just other get paid to apps that pay more for those options, but it's one of the few get paid to apps that will also allow you to earn by charging your phone, because it has these lock screen ads. Just be aware that this is only available for Android devices. The next option is available both for iOS and Android devices. So let's talk about that also. So the last option I want to talk about is called Current, or it's also called Mode. That depends whether you're using for iOS devices or Android devices, and it has then been rebranded to Mode Earn app. I also have a full tutorial about that. I will leave a link in the top corner. It has many different ways to earn. The main method to earn is actually by listening to music, but it also has this lock screen ads when you are charging your phone, for example, and then you will earn a little bit by having them showing there. Personally, I find it quite annoying how it locks your screen, but that's just my personal opinion. I know quite a few viewers really enjoy using it because it can be an easy way to earn by listening to music, and even though it does not give a lot, it actually is one of the highest paying options if you like listening to music, and then you can do different other small tasks to also boost your earnings that way. And you can get paid in cash or different gift cards and crypto, and it has a very low payout threshold, so you really do not need to earn a lot. And I also show payment proof in the video I already talked about that I have a link for in the top corner. But let's also talk a little bit more about how much you can overall earn by charging your phone this way and having these ads showing. So overall, I just want to make it clear that getting paid to charge your phone is not something that will earn you a lot. In fact, it is one of the lowest paying options that you can use through these different apps. So if you're looking for effective ways to earn some extra money, this is definitely not it. And personally, I find often the ads that lock your screen a little bit annoying. That depends on the app you're using. So if one is annoying, then you can try one of the others depending on your preferences. But that's just my personal opinion. I actually do not really like using it, but I know a lot of viewers have asked me about ways to get paid to charge your phone. And these are ways. You cannot just get paid to charge your phone unless you also have these ads showing. But it will not earn you a lot. You have to be lucky to earn a few cents a day by doing this. So I would say if you're looking for effective ways to earn some extra money on the side online, you should definitely make sure to use other methods also. And I'll leave links below to other free methods that I know that pays quite a lot more if you're interested in using those methods also. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and gave you some ideas about what you can expect if you are looking for ways to get paid to charge your phone and which apps that are legit you can use. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.